Good day, investors and market enthusiasts. It's Iggy, your seasoned guide from Investing Iguana, here to uncover the most promising investment opportunities in Singapore. Today, we're delving into iFAST, CDL, and Kingsmen, top stocks for 2024. As we wave goodbye to a challenging 2023, it's time to focus on the future and identify the companies setting the pace for the upcoming year. With a keen eye for market dynamics and a knack for pinpointing growth potential, I'll be dissecting why iFAST, City Developments Limited, CDL, and Kingsmen Creatives stand out in the Singaporean market. From groundbreaking fintech innovations and strategic real estate ventures to expanding into experiential entertainment, these companies are not just surviving, they're thriving. So, let's dive into the strategies, achievements, and future prospects of these dynamic players in Singapore's stock market. iFAST Corporation Limited, SGX, AIY. iFAST, a leading financial technology, fintech, firm, has caught the eye of investors with its remarkable third-quarter earnings for 2023. The company's net profit quadrupled year-on-year to 8.5 million Singapore dollars, while its assets under administration soared to a record 19.12 billion Singapore dollars as of September 30, 2023. Recently, iFAST launched its iFAST Global HUB.AI in Malaysia, a pivotal step in its three-year growth plan to cement its position in digital banking, wealth management, and pension administration solutions. This hub, leveraging artificial intelligence, aims to enhance operating efficiency and scalability, positioning iFAST to deliver superior financial services globally. The company's ambitious AI initiatives, including customer service automation capable of handling 50 languages, signal iFAST's commitment to becoming a global fintech leader. The hub's significant investment and expansion plans underscore iFAST's vision of a truly global business model. iFAST, a frontrunner in the fintech sector, has shown remarkable resilience and growth, especially with its recent foray into AI-driven services. The company's record-breaking assets under administration and its successful launch of the iFAST Global HUB.AI in Malaysia are pivotal steps towards global expansion. Looking into 2024, iFAST is well-positioned to capitalize on the increasing demand for digital banking and wealth management services. The company's plan to automate customer service and handle a vast array of languages using AI is an innovative move that could significantly enhance its operational efficiency and customer outreach. However, investors should watch how effectively iFAST integrates AI into its services and whether it can sustain its rapid growth amidst intense competition in the fintech space. City Developments Limited, SGX, C09. City Developments Limited, CDL, a renowned global real estate firm, has recently made a strategic acquisition of 1NQ, a 261-unit freehold project in Manchester, UK, for £75.6 million. Situated in the vibrant northern quarter, this project aligns with CDL's vision of expanding its global private rented sector, PRS, portfolio. The development of 1NQ into modern apartment blocks with commercial units reflects CDL's commitment to growth and innovation in international real estate markets. This acquisition, marking CDL's fourth PRS venture since 2019, is a testament to the company's resilience and growth potential in the real estate sector. CDL's recent strategic acquisition of the 1NQ project in Manchester, UK, is a bold move that expands its footprint in the global real estate market. This investment in the private rented sector aligns with CDL's vision of increasing its global PRS portfolio, offering resilience and potential for strong growth. For 2024, the key for CDL will be how it manages the development and forward funding of this project amidst the dynamic and sometimes unpredictable UK property market. Investors should monitor CDL's ability to leverage this acquisition to enhance its global portfolio and generate sustainable revenue streams. Kingsmen Creatives Limited, SGX, 5MZ. Kingsmen Creatives, known for its expertise in exhibitions, interiors, research and design, and experiential marketing, has recently announced a significant partnership. Its U.S. subsidiary, Kingsmen Xperience, is collaborating with Max Matching Entertainments to introduce the NERF Action Xperience family entertainment centers to China starting in 2025. These centers, licensed by Hasbro, will feature a range of fun zones, dining areas, and retail stores, each spanning up to 4,500 square meters. Kingsmen's venture into China, following its successful establishment of a NERF Action Xperience Center in Singapore's Marina Square, marks a strategic expansion of its experiential entertainment offerings. Kingsmen Creatives has taken a significant step in expanding its experiential entertainment offerings by partnering to bring NERF Action Xperience centers to China. This move capitalizes on the growing demand for family entertainment and experiential marketing. For 2024, the success of this venture hinges on Kingsmen's ability to effectively manage intellectual property and licensing while collaborating with Max Matching Entertainments for location development and operations. The expansion into China's market presents both a massive opportunity and challenges in terms of navigating the regulatory environment and local market preferences. As we look towards 2024, iFAST, CDL, and Kingsmen Creatives each show promise in their respective sectors, driven by strategic expansions and innovative approaches. For iFAST, it's about harnessing AI and Fintech. For CDL, it's expanding its global real estate presence. And for Kingsmen, it's about capturing the experiential entertainment market in China. Investors should keep an eye on how these companies navigate their growth plans amidst global economic uncertainties and sector-specific challenges. And that brings us to the end of our insightful journey into three of Singapore's most promising stocks for 2024, iFAST, CDL, and Kingsmen Creatives. We've traveled through the remarkable achievements of these companies in 2023 and explored the strategies laying the groundwork for their future success. As we've seen, iFAST's leap into AI-driven fintech, CDL's strategic expansion into UK's real estate market, and Kingsmen's innovative venture into the experiential entertainment sector in China are much more than just business moves. They are transformative steps that are reshaping their respective industries. As your financial and investment expert, my goal is to provide you with the knowledge and insights to navigate the ever-changing tides of the stock market confidently. Remember, informed investing is about looking beyond the present and understanding the potential of tomorrow. Stay tuned to Investing Iguana for more analyses and updates on where the world of finance is heading. This is Iggy, signing off. Stay curious, invest wisely, and embrace the opportunities that 2024 has in store.